Airplane Systems and Standard Operating Procedure. Chapter 5. Circuit Approach and Landing. Takeoff. After RT clearance from the ATC, perform a normal takeoff as mentioned in the procedure for takeoff. While carrying out checks after takeoff, after raising flaps to position 0, accelerate to 75 knots speed and continue climb. Approaching 500 feet AGL, check turning path to the left and right clear and commence a climbing turn, so as to roll out 90 degrees to the runway heading, flying away from the runway. Questions. Question number 1. What should be done after receiving RT clearance from the ATC? A. Perform aerobatic maneuvers. B. Perform a normal takeoff as mentioned in the procedure. C. Test the engine performance. D. Practice emergency procedures. Question number 2. What speed should the aircraft accelerate to after raising flaps to position 0? A. 60 knots. B. 65 knots. C. 75 knots. D. 80 knots. Question number 3. At what altitude should the turning path be checked and a climbing turn commenced? A. 300 feet AGL. B. 400 feet AGL. C. 500 feet AGL. D. 600 feet AGL. Question number 4. What is the purpose of the climbing turn after reaching 500 feet AGL? A. To perform aerobatic maneuvers. B. To roll out 90 degrees to the runway heading, flying away from the runway. C. To test the engine performance. D. To practice emergency procedures. Question number 5. What should be checked before commencing the climbing turn? A. Engine performance. B. Fuel quantity. C. Turning path to the left and right clear. D. Landing gear position. Post your answers in the comments. Thank you.